Yo, your gas tank's on this side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
I can't wait until I own a Tesla.
You want a Tesla?
Duh.
Why Tesla suck? Nah, just kidding. I'm just kidding.
When did I say that?
No, Tesla's actually not.
Oh, you said it.
I wouldn't say Tesla suck. Tesla's are awesome.
Yeah, okay. But I'll always love combustion cars too, though. This song's so good.
Yo, Peyton, keep dancing.
Caterpillar whip, and I lowered it. Lil' Jim, I got a problem. I'm in love with money, I'm in love with bowling.
Yes, could I get, what do you want, the bacon? Junior bacon cheeseburger?
Yo, Peyton.
Junior bacon 4
Can I get the junior bacon cheeseburger 4 for 4?
Dude, look at how trippy this looks. Oh, yo, this is Inception like crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. Actually, yo, if you want, follow my Snapchat at Christian Zuno. But look at this.
Tell me you don't remember this song.
It's, I can't even, like.
What kind of sauce with your nuggets, you said? Crispy chicken sandwich, 4 for 4. That's it. Yeah,
Bro. Look at my chocolate milk. Do you want some? Yo, Austin, what are you doing just naked down there? Are you naked?
almost. I can't be if you.
Yo, this needs to be on a commercial right here. Ooh, white boy gets his chocolate milk fixing. Look at those lips.
Chocolate milk?
Yeah.
There you go, my dude. That was delicious.
What'd you say?
Chocolate milk.
This? No, it's not actually.
Tell all your subscribers to follow my playlist.
What is it?
No, I'm just kidding. Don't show them this.
Oh, okay.
Exclusive.
Oh,
You guys
yeah.
don't even know.
Yeah, you guys don't even know.
This kind of stuff.
If the camera wasn't around my neck, I mean, if the strap of the camera wasn't around my neck, I would show my face and I'd be like nodding yes or something. See, look, ooh, see, it's hanging around my neck. Ooh, look at, I can still do stuff. Ah. Wait, I haven't even had any of this chocolate milk. I mean, it's not chocolate milk. It's actually,
It's poop.
it's poop.
Liquid poop.
What? It's just, I don't know if you can handle this. It's just honestly too delicious.
Yeah, dude. I don't know if you're meant for
Do you
it.
think Austin can handle this? Dude, I mean, should we come to a group consensus? Who thinks Austin should have the hot chocolate, the chocolate milk? Raise your hand.
No one raise their hand?
So that's one person. Austin.
Oh, that's raise their hand right there.
Alright, who thinks Austin should not have the chocolate milk? Raise your hand. And then I have 2 hands, so that's 3 votes over here. Okay, so yeah,
That's
I don't know
3
if
to
we can
1.
try this, bro.
That's 3 to 1, dude. I don't make the rules. I hate you.
Oh my gosh. Hey, here. It's so good. You don't want it? It's right here.
Hey, you bum.
I guess you also don't want these chocolate bars in your pocket.
Yeah. Ay, baby, tu sensualidad. Oh, oh, oh.
I have no idea what they are. I just found them downstairs.
No. Awesome.
I hope it's not dark chocolate. I hate dark chocolate. Well, not all dark chocolate. Did you want some of this chocolate milk?
I mean, yeah, I asked for it, but you were like, no.
He offered it to you.
Here, yeah, I even got it on video. Oh my gosh, wait. I can do this flashback. Hey, here. It's so good. You don't want it? It's right here.
Hey, you bum.
Boom, I just did a flashback. You see that?
I
literally told you.
Chocolate milk.
Do you want this chocolate milk? Here it is,
Yeah,
Mexican
I would
gun.
like to try it.
Here.
You were like, no.
Wait, has the
Austin.
camera been recording this whole time?
Yeah. So it's getting all this.
I didn't even
Austin,
know.
I'm literally handing you the chocolate
I
milk.
didn't even know you put
Just
it
turn
there.
around. Oh
That's
yeah,
hilarious.
no?
No. Like when I pushed you? I had no idea that camera was there. Because it was doing that just because you fucking saved the chocolate. Because I was
Yo,
trying to do
these
anything.
chocolate bars are actually really good.
I was actually like that high about the chocolate.
You like it?
I was saying you would be that hype about the chocolate. Real life. I just want you to know that.
Oh, wait, it's 2:48. And you're leaving.
It's 2:48.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna die.
Well,
I was like, did he actually just leave? Yo, what are you watching in the front of you?
something about this honey from Nepal.
Oh my
It's
god.
honey from Nepal. So I don't know. It's like makes you like high or something.
Honey from Nepal?
Yeah, that makes you like high.
Oh, that's kind of awesome.
Yeah, I know. I was like, whoa, that's cool.
So you guys trying to go to Nepal anytime soon?
Yeah, I mean it's legal there. Dude, I wonder what it's like to be high.
Yeah, I wonder what it's like too. Alright.
Baby, donde tú quieras, yo paso a buscarte. Tú esperas